welcome back to my channel. My name is Myra. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Today I will be unboxing the Glam Bag X from Ipsy for the month of February. So keep watching to see what I got. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about the subscription before I get started. This is the new subscription from Ipsy. It's called Glam Bag X. It has a price of $55 for every 3 months. It's supposed to have around 7 through 8 products, and it has a word value of more than $350. So let's see what I got. This is how the subscription comes when you open it. It's like a little magazine that it tells you all the products that are included in the subscription box. As you can see, it tells you how to use the products, it gives you tips, it tells you how much each product is worth it, how to use it. So the first thing I see in my subscription is it's a mascara. First thing I got, it's a mascara from MCGRATH LABS. Mascara is supposed to help you have a very bold and thick eyelashes. This mascara has a value of $30. So the second thing I got is the brush shaping wax, and this has a value of $40. This is a clear one, so I'm gonna open to see how it looks. It's a clear gel. And it comes with its own brush. Mostly help you have feathery, fully brows. It's a very small brow shaping wax, and this has a value of $40, which I think is pretty small for the price. The third thing I see is a lipstick. It's all about face. This is a lip matte color, and it has a value of $22. And it's a very deep nude color. This is called Saints and Sinner. So apply some drops to your hair to give them some shine, and it says that you can actually use it before applying any heat to your hair or anything like that. This has a value of $27.50. This Babe Lash. Babe Lash is a serum for the eyelashes, and this has a value of $120. So this is how it looks. It comes all sealed. This serum is supposed to help you have longer, fuller looking lashes, and actually you can use this for your brows if you want to grow a little bit, or you want to grow your brows a little bit more. I think this is a really good product. I might give it a try and see if it actually works. So that's how it looks. It's a very clear gel, as you can see. Complex Culture. This is Sonic T-Bar facial massager, which help you massage your face. This helps you reduce puffiness, relieve tension, and sculpture your face before applying any makeup, or you can actually use this for massaging your face as a routine. One has a price value of $58. The Complex Culture T-Bar. The next product I see, this is called Even Skin Tone moisturizer. This helps you. Supposedly you can apply this moisturizer, apply it every night to help you cleansing your skin. It has many vitamins. If you're having problem with an even skin tone, so I think this is a really good product. Product I see at the bottom is the palette from HUDA BEAUTY, and this is the rose gold palette, and this one has a price of $65. So these are all the colors, as you can see. Half of them are shiny, half of them are matte colors. So definitely this is one of the really cute palettes. I received this. This is the first subscription of the Glam Box X, and I got 8 products in total, and I think I got a total worth of more than $400. So I think this subscription is a really good deal if you want a lot of products like this. Okay, I will use all the products on me to show you how I use them. The only thing I'm not gonna use is the same in center, because it's supposed to add it before applying heat to your hair. So this is the only thing I'm not gonna use. This is the Baby Lash. Grab the product. You are gonna put it underneath the lash line, like this. To activate it, to get the eyebrows done, you have to use either a setting spray. I think you can use water as well, but if you have setting spray, I think it will work better. So I'm gonna be using the one from Urban Decay to spray on it. Using the brush that came with it, you have to like lather a little bit to soften the wax. But I already have a little bit of product. I just want to see if it actually works. To let it dry. I will be using the Anastasia Deep Brow to fill in the eyebrows using the brush. This is how the eyebrows look after using the Patrick Ta wax on the eyebrows. I mean, it looks really good. You have to really work on this, because it takes a little bit of practice to learn how to use the brow wax. So I have to work on this. The rose gold one to get my eyeshadow done. Using one of these fluffy brushes. I will be using this eyeshadow doll face. Fluff it around it. The middle crease. I will move into this shade next. I'm just gonna do this in the lower lid. The black eyeshadow. I use this color only on the end of the crease. I will be applying Pink Diamond. Just to give it a little bit of shininess. Okay, so I'm going to be using eyeliner. I'm going to clean all the excess off. This one, you work it out. Massage your face. Work it out. It is before doing your makeup, which is really good. It's especially because I have very oily skin. To my lashes, I'm going to be applying lashes really quick. After applying the eyelashes, I usually use mascara. I'm going to be using the mascara that I got. I always usually take all the excess out. Give a little extra volume to my lashes. I will be contouring my face. I will be applying some blush. I will be using the very small brush. I'll be using this shade. Using a little bit of the black shade. I will be using highlighter with a highlighter brush. Lastly, I will be applying the lip. So this is the final result after using all the products I got from my Blend Bag X. I really like all the products I received, and I think they look great. I like all the shades from the eyeshadow palette. This lipstick is a very matte color, so it's just to last all day long. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you.